Welcome back to YouTube Educational Tutors. Hope all of you are well. And I think you have already known by seeing the thumbnail that I am going to upload the third part of degree change. If you have yet not seen the former videos, then go to the playlist section and you will find all the series of degree change. Okay. In this video, I will teach you how you can transform a sentence of positive degree into comparative and superlative. In the former videos, I taught you that those types of sentence which starts with no other, which is a sentence of positive degree. But in this section, I will show you that there is another kind of sentence which is also called positive degree, and the sentence begins with very few. Okay. Now I am going to write such type of sentence that very few boys are as smart as Kullan. Very few boys are as smart as Kullan. When you will try to change it into comparative or superlative degrees, then you must follow some methods. Okay. First of all, when you want to start this sentence into comparative degree, then you have to start with the subject of the question, and the subject of this question is Kullan, which is at the end of the sentence, and the comparative sentence starts with Kullan. So Kullan is. In the question, you are clearly watching that the verb is are, and are is written because of this subject, because the subject is in plural form, very few boys, but here the subject is in singular number. That is why is appropriate here. Okay. Kullan is, and after is you have to change the degree of this word smart, and the comparative form of smart is smarter. So here I will write smart are. I will just add with it er as it is a word of one syllable. Okay. So Kullan is smarter than most other, as the sentence is not started with no other, as it is started with very few. So I will write here than most other instead of than any other. So Kullan is smarter than most other, and this is the very important place where a lot of students do wrong. Okay. Boys, here must be written the subject in plural form as than most other boys. It indicates more than one. Than most other boy. If you write than most other boy, the sentence would be wrong. So you have to write here in plural form, whatever the subject may be in the question. And here if you see, here you will find the word is in plural form. Okay. So the answer is Kullan is smarter than most other boys. And when you will try to change it into superlative degree, in former case you see that you used only the, but in this section you have to use one of the, and the sentence will be started in this way. Kullan is one of the. This is the very important list. One of the. Kullan is one of the, and after this phrase you have to write the superlative form of this word smarter, and the superlative form of this word is smartest if you add est with this word, then the word will be in a superlative form. Okay, one of the smart, est, smartest. So Kalyan is one of the smartest, and here you have to write the subject in plural form, because if you use one of the, then the noun must be in plural form, otherwise the sentence would be wrong. So dear students, this is how you have to change the sentences from positive to comparative and superlative degree. And in the same way, when you will find that the question is the comparative form, then the same method or system you have to follow. If you see that this is in the question form, and then you will find that here then most other has been used, most other, and when you transform it in positive degree, then the sentence should be started with very few instead of no other, and here you have to use one of the instead of the. So friends, there is nothing more than this. You watched this tutorial with patience, that is why I sincerely thanks to all of you. Okay.